This package was $2, but only $1 per product, because I ordered two locks. It's basically for furniture, but it's good for anything where you don't want to have something very strong. Just a polite lock, or how do you want to call it? What do you want to call it? It's so that somebody doesn't open something accidentally. Let's put it that way. But if you want to break it, it can break very easily. So yeah, it's one of those things that is just for politeness or something. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. It's got a little plate, and you mount it on the door or on the furniture, and then you can lock it with a key. It comes with 2 keys, allegedly. Let's see. Come on out. Yeah, 2 keys. You can copy them, I don't care. And yeah, it's not like in the picture. In the picture it's a black plate, and here it's all brass, or what do you call it? Some type of cheap metal that doesn't rust, probably. Okay, so the surface is kind of scratched up. Here it has some damage. But yeah, it should do what it's supposed to. This ring comes on the outside, probably. So if you have a thin door, it can go right in. You just have to cut out a hole and a rectangular whatever, like half a centimeter deep, and then you mount it with 4 screws. It doesn't come with the screws, so yeah, that's a negative. But yeah, let's see if the keys work. That's the only thing I'm interested in, because if they don't work, yep, they don't work. What the... Yeah, it kinda works, but it's very unusual. You have to spin it around 2 times. That's interesting. Let's see the other key. Yep, that works too. Okay, so $1, okay, but requires oh, and I can't get the key out. Only if it's if you turn it clockwise and hold it there and pull it out. Yeah, because it wants to turn left. I don't know why. So it goes in, then you can turn it, you can get it out, turn it back, get it out. Okay, so if you get used to it, it's perfectly fine. Okay, $1, totally worth it.